Hello and welcome to today's MSAB Monday. I'm Adam Furman, Tech Evangelist here at MSAB. Today we're having a look at a function built into XAMN Pro that not many people know exists, and that is the audit function. So to turn it on, we simply go to Options, Audit Log, and it will be turned on at the top here, full logging or partial logging. So if you click partial logging, it's going to record important data only. We're going to leave it on full logging. And where do you access the audit logs? So we're on the main case page here, and if we select the three dots, you can see here View Audit Log. Now for this case, we can see that the display settings have been set. You can see that I've opened a file, I've opened a tab, and eventually I've filtered into WhatsApp, and then I've gone into conversation view. So if we go into the tab, we can see indeed I am in conversation view. And as I select a chat thread, you can see if we return to the audit log, that data is then showing that I'm now viewing the conversation. And if I was to select an artifact and I was going to play that video, the video has been playing, we stop it, and if we return to the audit log, we can see that the artifact is viewed within messages and chat, and that is the artifact that I have viewed. Now, how do we save that information out? We just return to the audit log and we select the floppy disk. But we can also filter on these, so if we can define what we want to share. Now, audit log is very, very important. Working in digital forensics, we need to be able to allow a third party to replicate the steps we take. So keeping an audit log of the exact actions we've done is of extreme importance. So we can obviously save it out there, but it is also built into Report Builder, where we can simply drag the audit log into our report building blocks, and this is the data that we can include that is recorded via an audit log. We can include it or exclude it, and we can apply a date and time filter. We hope that you can see the power of audit logging in XAMN, and will join us again soon for some more hints and tips. Thank you.